me go. Make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Kasi Coley, sobrang sipag ni Ram. Talagang maasahan mo siya sa lahat ng task na ibibigay mo sa kanya. Minsan, nagzazone, pero nakakatuwa rin naman. So, okay lang.
Si Ram very, very passionate siya sa ginagawa niya. He really wants to serve. Meron talaga siyang heart for service. And he's a very, very good team player. Sobrang efficient niya sa team. He works well with people. He listens well to instructions. He's very coordinated. He learns a lot.
As a friend, mabait sila, super bait. And as a colleague naman, lagi mo siyang maaasahan. Rap!
Nakakatuwa siyang friend kasi may kinig lang siya sa'yo kahit magdaraan ka ng mga bagay-bagay. Kahit tungkol sa buhay mo na kahit wala naman siya talagang kaalam-alam din.
Ako best memories, hindi ko mabilang ano mga memories namin eh. Pag narinig ko yung YouTube video niya na dating niya lagi sa computer, siya sabi daw, tapusin! Sabi ko yun.
Siguro sa mga memories na naiisip ko. First, yung kapag nag-uugas ng plato, syempre. Kapag nagagalit na si Ma'am Che, tapos yun, mag-uugas ako ng plato. Tapos, kapag fieldwork, yung kapag pumunta ng MH or ng Pangil, tapos, syempre, hindi mawawala dun yung Okoy. Yung flag racing namin dun sa Oba, yun, sobrang saya na, kasi sabay kami kumakanta. Yung worst dun, pag wala siya, mag-isa na ako nag-uugas, mag-isa na ako kumakanta. Yun. Tsaka yung masaya yung darating ako dito ng 8 o'clock, tapos pagbukas ko ng pinto, mag-good morning siya. Pinakamalungkot yung 5 o'clock kasi uuwi na kami.
Mas marami yung worst kaysa dun sa best. Hindi. Pero yung worst, pag nag-zone siya, yun. Worst yun. Minsan nakakalimutan niyo yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero very minimal naman yun compared to the best that he has done for his discipline, for all of us here. So best memories, whenever we're out in the field together, whenever we're done with one particular project. So pag natatapos yung lahat and it's can carry it out successfully. And it's always fun and a pleasure and an honor and a privilege to be working with people from schools. That is one of those people that you'd like to work with because you know that it will always turn out to be one of the best.
Best moments. Siyempre, nung nag-turnover ka, nung nag-turnover, nung time na siguro first week niya sa work, at ako yung nag-orient sa kanya, dun sa work na gagawin niya. Eh, yun yung yung paikot-ikot kami dito sa buong MCN, tapos payat pa siya nun. And yun nga, masaya yung time na nag-share siya sa akin about kay Ann. Nung nililigawan pa lang niya si Ann, na muntik na siyang paste din ni Ann kasi mag-give up na siya. Pero sasagutin na pala siya ni Ann. Yun. Worst moments, hindi ko alam. Madami siguro. Siguro kapag yung mga pagod na gano'n.
Best memory, siguro yung nasa tayo, sa club balay. Tapos yung pinagulong niya yung sarili niya sa swimming pool. So, talagang tawa ako sa kanya. Nakakatawa talaga siya. Ang worst, meron one time, bad trip ako, tapos naiinis ako. Akala niya sa kanya ako nainis. Pero, mabait pa rin siya. Kinusap mo pa rin ako. Tinanong niya ako may problema ba? Yun.
Mga po talaga, dahil last day siya dito sa CSCE, I don't know kung sinong papalit sa kanya, pero I'm happy na he will do a better job in a new career kahit sa ibang workplace siya. And I'm happy na hato siya sa bagong level of a bagong chapter sa kanyang buhay. I'm happy for and you're sad at the same time?
Siguro malungkot kasi syempre it would be the last day of him with the CSE family. Pero on the other side of it, isa siyang growth opportunity para kay Sir Rap mag-grow in his career. So,
Siyempre, unang nalulungkot kasi hindi ko na siya araw-araw makikita. Pero at the same time, masaya rin naman ako para sa kanya kasi there's a big world out there na mas marami pa siyang matututunan. Pero alam ko rin naman na hindi niya kami kakalimutan as a family.
Sobrang sad, syempre. Ayoko nga sanang pirmahan. Hindi ko nga sana i-accept yun. But I'm sad. I know that it would be a great loss for CAC. But I know that he would gain a lot from the experiences that he would set out to explore. Also, I know, and I believe, and hopefully, that he learned a lot from CAC and from working with us, and that he was able to build more of his character, of his patience, of his, the things that he's doing. So I hope that yun, na madala na yun, and that I hope hopefully be able to use that for his own growth.
Malungkot, sino ba namang hindi malulungkot sa pag-alis ni Sir Rap sa CSE. Pero masaya ako for him kasi at least ipa-person na niya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin sa buhay, and mas magiging malawak yung gusto niyang gawin sa community service.
Sobrang malungkot. Kasi, wala lang, masasad ako. Siyempre, dahil si Rapid madalas kong kasama siya, yung lagi kong kakwentuhan. Ano akong kasabay pa uwi. Ay, ako! Kasi, ayun.
So, yung Rap, I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart that you've chosen to be with us for the past 2 years. I thank you that you've been patient, you've been passionate, and that you allowed yourself to grow with us in the past 2 years. I'm so proud of all the things that you've accomplished while you're here. I'm so proud of all the things that you've done for CAC, and I'm so proud of the man that you've become while you're here with us. And hopefully that you'll take all these things with you, and that moving forward in your career, I hope that you find the fulfillment that you're looking for. I hope that you find your purpose in life. And whatever you do, don't stray away from community development. China, of course, is your first love. So I hope that you would not forget the things that you've learned from CACD, and we hope that you would always grow and aspire to become a better person, and just know and believe that we're always here for you. I wish you all the best and praying for the success of your endeavors. And God bless. And we will miss you and we love you.
Hi, Sir Rap. Grabe ka. Hindi. Ingat ka lang palagi. Basta kung saan ka makarating, yung mga natutunan mo dito sa office, dalhin mo lang siya. And I'm sure na marami ka pang makikilala ibang tao na magbibigay din sa'yo ng mas marami pang memories. Pero sana, hindi mo kami kakalimutan. Yun, ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Yay! Finally! Gagawa mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin. And hindi ka na magra-ranting. Hindi na ka na maririnig na marami kang mga hinarain dyan. Dahil gusto mong lumapit kay Ann. Pero, masaya ako para sa'yo. Sana huwag mo kaming kalimutan. Sana inilibre mo pa din kami sa May. Yun lang.
Sir Rap, happy birthday. Joke. Sir Rap, I'm happy for you, and I'm happy na finally na-open mo na yun. Matagal mo ng secret. And sana maging masaya ka dun sa pupuntahan mo, and we hope na mas mag-grow ka pa, and I believe na mas mag-grow ka, and I believe na yan yung plan ng Lord sa'yo, and just trust in Him, and huwag mo kaming kakalimutan kapag pag successful ka na dyan sa ginawa mo, and we believe na magiging successful ka dyan. God bless.
John Lloyd. John Lloyd. Sarah, we're going to miss you so much. Enjoy your new workplace with new family. Pero always remember your true family is always be here at CSE. So, good luck with your new career, and ingat.
Once I was 7 years old.